Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the parcel from Lazada to be used for the sliding gate in Masjid As-Sakinah. This is almost 1,000 pesos. Since I have a discount in Lazada, so from 1,300 to 900 pesos, 900 plus. Yes, 900 plus. This is the I didn't have the price here. Okay. Alhamdulillah. This is heavy duty. 3, 4, 5 pieces. 5 pieces. Alhamdulillah. Syukran.